Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best clear plastic bag is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable items in both our homes and workplaces, often overlooked but crucial for organization, protection, and even presentation. From safeguarding your groceries and keeping your craft supplies tidy to ensuring your important documents remain pristine and easily identifiable, these seemingly simple bags offer a transparent solution to a myriad of everyday challenges. Their clarity allows for quick content identification, saving you precious time when you need to find something specific, while their protective barrier shields contents from moisture, dust, and accidental spills, making them an unsung hero in maintaining order and cleanliness in our busy lives. Number 5. BAGAIL Clear Stadium Approved Tote Bag. Introducing the BAGAIL Clear Tote Bag, your perfect companion for any stadium event. Its transparent design ensures you meet all security requirements with ease. This bag features a secure zipper closure to keep your belongings safe. The generous 12 by 6 by 12 size offers ample space for your essentials. Wear it your way with the adjustable crossbody or shoulder strap. It's designed for maximum comfort during long events. Crafted for durability, this clear tote bag is also stylish. It's the ideal blend of functionality and fashion for your active lifestyle. Whether it's a concert, game, or festival, this bag is approved and ready. Enjoy hassle-free entry and a clear view of your items. What we like. This tote offers a secure zipper closure and an adjustable strap for comfortable carrying. If you need a reliable bag for events with strict security, this one is a great choice. It's perfect for concerts, sports games, or any occasion where you need to keep your belongings safe and accessible. What people say. The bags are very sturdy and hold up well. They are the perfect size for my needs and are easy to open. The clear plastic makes it easy to see what's inside. Number 4. Handy Laundry Clear Stadium Tote Bag. Introducing the ultimate clear tote bag, designed for your convenience. It's stadium approved, making entry a breeze for any event. Crafted from robust PVC, this tote offers ample space for your essentials. The 12 by 6 by 12 dimensions are perfect for carrying everything you need. Keep your belongings safe and sound with the secure zipper top. No more worrying about items falling out during your commute or at the venue. Carry it with ease thanks to the comfortable shoulder straps. They are designed for a comfortable fit, even when the bag is full. Whether you're heading to a concert, a sporting event, or work, this bag meets all tournament guidelines. Enjoy your event without any hassle. This clear tote is your ideal companion for any occasion requiring clear bag policies. It combines functionality with compliance effortlessly. What we like. Designed to meet tournament guidelines, this tote features a convenient zipper top and comfortable shoulder straps. If you're heading to a sports event or concert and need a bag that complies with regulations, this is an excellent option. It ensures you can easily carry your essentials while adhering to venue policies. What people say. The bags are sturdy and hold up well. They are the perfect size for my needs and very clear. Great for organizing items and keeping them dust-free. Number 3. BakeBaking Clear Self-Sealing Cookie Bags 4 by 6 inch. Showcase your delicious creations with these ultra-clear bags. Their crystal clear finish ensures your treats look as good as they taste. Packaging is a breeze with the easy peel and seal adhesive closure. Simply peel, fold, and seal in seconds for a neat and secure wrap. These 4 by 6 inch bags are perfectly sized for individual cookies, candies, and small party favors. They offer a neat and compact packaging solution. The widened adhesive strip ensures a tight seal, helping to keep your baked goods and snacks fresh for longer. Enjoy better preservation and presentation. Ideal for parties, gifts, and small business needs. Use them for birthdays, weddings, bake sales, or simply to keep your homemade goodies fresh. This value pack of 200 bags is perfect for both home bakers and small businesses. They provide a professional and clean look for all your packaging needs. What we like. These bags offer a crystal clear display and a convenient self-sealing adhesive closure. If you're packaging small treats, party favors, or handmade items for your small business, these are ideal. Their clarity showcases your products beautifully, and the easy seal saves you time. What people say. The bag is made of clear plastic. It is a bag. It is plastic. Number 2. Vorspack Stadium Approved Clear Purse. Experience superior quality with our clear bag, crafted from durable and flexible TPU. Unlike PVC, it offers a better, odor-free experience and is built to last. Navigate security lines with ease at concerts and sporting events. This clear bag meets policy requirements, saving you time and hassle. Carry all your essentials comfortably in its generous main compartment. An inner pocket keeps smaller items like keys and cards neatly organized. Customize your carrying style with the adjustable shoulder strap. Wear it as a crossbody or shoulder bag, adjusting the length from 31 to 57 inches. Perfect for stadiums, concerts, festivals, and travel. It's stadium approved, ensuring a smooth experience while keeping your belongings visible and accessible. This clear crossbody bag meets all stadium security regulations. Enjoy events without worry, knowing your belongings are secure and easy to see. What we like. Made from high-quality TPU material, this bag is durable, flexible, and free from unpleasant odors. If you're looking for a stadium-approved purse that's both functional and comfortable to wear, this is it. The adjustable strap and inner pocket make it perfect for concerts, festivals, and travel. What people say. The bags are very sturdy and hold up well to heavy items. They are perfectly clear, making it easy to see the contents inside. The size is just right for carrying groceries or other small items. Number 1. Juvale Clear Stadium Approved Bags. Introducing our Clear Stadium Approved Bags, designed to meet all your event needs. They offer a spacious and transparent solution for easy security checks. With generous dimensions of 12 by 6 by 12 inches, these large tote bags provide ample space for your essentials. The secure zipper closure keeps your belongings safe and sound. Crafted for durability, these transparent bags are built to last through countless events. The sturdy handles ensure comfortable and reliable carrying. Perfect for concerts, sporting events, and travel, these bags offer a practical and stylish way to carry your items. Their transparent design makes finding what you need a breeze. The full transparency allows for quick and easy inspection, saving you time at security checkpoints. You can easily see everything inside without having to unpack. Equipped with comfortable handles, transporting your belongings is effortless. These bags are designed for your convenience and comfort throughout the day. What we like. This large transparent tote bag comes with secure zippers and sturdy handles, and it's stadium approved. If you need a spacious and reliable bag for events, this is a fantastic choice. It allows for easy visibility of contents and provides secure closure for your belongings. What people say. The bags are very sturdy and hold up well. They are the perfect size for my needs and are easy to open. The clear plastic makes it easy to see what's inside. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.